Hello students, in this video you will get the notes of class 11 standard physics chapter 3 motion in a straight line. This notes is very useful for the CBSE exam as well as NEET and JEE exam, as well as it is useful for the other competitive exams. So go through the notes, practice all the questions and homework questions. If you want such type of notes for the other chapters, then comment in chat box, as well as like, share and subscribe our channel for the notification.